This is Weather 6-7 coming to you. The National Weather Service out of Midland, Texas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning as of 2:42 p.m. until 3:45 p.m. Central Standard Time for the counties that you see on your screen and highlighted in pink. As of 2:42 p.m. Central Standard Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-sized hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located 15 miles west of the Warren area, or 17 miles northwest of the Warren area, moving northwest at 15 miles per hour. Another severe thunderstorm was located 20 miles southwest of the Warren area, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, deadly cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Reminder, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning, seek shelter immediately. Now, I can't emphasize that enough. How many times I've said that over the past couple of days. And the National Weather Service basically said it themselves. Now, I will let you know that I'm not a meteorologist myself, but I do study the weather and track it very well. But I can tell you from the severity of this storm, which I'm getting ready to show you in two different ways. This storm is definitely packing a punch with it. So let me take off my warnings overlay, and I will show you the storm. There is the storm in Texas that you see that has prompted the severe thunderstorm warning from basically the top to the bottom of the state. And it had a vigorous storm popping within it. So I would not be surprised to see the National Weather Service out of Texas. I would not be surprised to see if they extend those warnings or for an extended amount of time due to those storms surviving. Now, what I'm going to do for you now is put on a live overlay of the storm itself. And there you see the storm. Right there, and you see the storms that I was indicating on my radar, basically from the top to the bottom of the state. And they are very vigorous in type, and they are packing a punch. And they do have a lot of lightning associated with them, and they're likely to drop a good amount of rain with them within a short amount of time. And it looks like the cells are kind of merging together, so they don't show any signs of weakening anytime soon. So for everyone down in the area, I would hunker down. If your power does not go out, I would find something to do, because these storms are vigorous in nature. Other than seeking shelter if need be, these storms are going to be around for a while. This is Weather 6000 with your severe thunderstorm warning update for Texas. Stay safe, everyone.